So you guys, welcome back to a new another video. So guys, today I am gonna do no block challenge in block SD Bedwars. So I'm still in the block SD Bedwars. So I'm gonna do no block challenge in this block. Let's say, like I can buy these blocks, I can buy these tools, but I can buy this block. So this challenge gonna be crazy. So let's start the challenge. Oh, I think I buy the blocks. I didn't buy it. I can buy it, bro. How can we do it? It's like I have to upgrade my tools because I can buy the blocks. Uh, let's buy a seer. Okay, this is gonna be crazy. I buy a seer to break the woolen beds, and let's go. I'm gonna kill him. Oh, I'm laggy. I'm laggy. I'm laggy. I'm laggy. He dead. He dead. He dead. He dead. He dead. Okay. Okay. Nice. 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 Guys, this graphics are how do you like this graphics? If yes, so subscribe my channel Matt White and comment if you want more challenges like this. So I can use procs like this is the I'm gonna kill him, bro. You gonna kill with me. I'm gonna kill you. You gonna kill with me. Yeah, GG. Let's go to blue. I can use the blocks. I can use sears only. Yeah. Oh, like I can use block. I can use sears only. So break the blocks, and I will like take off the block because I can use it. Okay, let's go to blue. Let's go. 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 Yo. That's gonna be crazy. Yo. 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 Yo, I did. Bro, where is bed? I didn't find his bed. I think his bed is one block like before. I can use blocks, bro. This is gonna be the hardest challenge of my life. Yo, let's go. Let's go to blue again because I'm gonna kill blue. And let's arrange the items. Okay. And bread also. Oh yeah. I have to get the diamonds because for upgrades I can upgrade only. Friend, I have no generator. What? What no generator? I didn't understand. Bro. I think someone is coming to us. I have to upgrade my tools. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 10 for diamond armor and tools. But I think I have to make a like armor only. I don't have iron armor. How can I make a diamond armor? Some iron place. Like I have to like store the because I don't have iron much to break to make this. Okay. Red is on the mid. Okay, red is on the mid. I have to kill the red because red will be like sus for us. He's glitching. Red is glitching. Why? Oh, this is the red. Then I'm gonna kill him. Red, you gonna die. Oh my god. I'm gonna break every block. Let's go. Now he can come. Yeah, GG. I can use blocks too. I need iron. Yes, yeah, blue. Have to kill blue because blue is the main suspect. Yo, where is the blue bed? Oh, bro, I find the blue bed, bro. His is like so like fake bad defense. He makes fake bad defense. I can buy the blocks. I can buy this. I have 12 iron now and like 3 and 13. I have 13 iron. If someone is coming to us, no, no one's coming to us. Like this is the old map of Block 6D. I want to new map of Block 6D. Red is on the mid. I will kill him. Like for I can kill anyone, but I need some blocks, bro, because blocks is very necessary. Uh, red one plate is not on the mid. I will go to red bed and just destroy it. Oh, he have. Oh, yo. GGG. Yeah, I did it. I'm dying 50 times, bro. This is gonna be hardest challenge, but if I win this match, you have to subscribe. I don't know. I'm not gonna win. Yeah, I have much iron for a diamond armor. Yeah, yeah. Let's buy a cornbread. Yeah, this gonna be crazy. Cornbread gonna be crazy. Why buy the blocks, bro? I don't need blocks. I can buy this blocks. Blocks are. I can buy this blocks. How this challenge is so tough. Let's go. Where is going? Let's go with our team. Okay, let's go our team. Yes. Green is here. He using blocks. I don't know how to kill him, but I left him because I have no blocks and I have to kill him. Yeah. GG. Green bread bed is gone. Green bread, not green bed is gone. Okay. Now let's time to kill some, like I don't need blocks. Let's time to kill green plates. I don't think I can kill him alone. Okay. I don't use gloves. Oh, he don't have any armor. Okay. I can kill him. 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 I kill him. I kill him. Yeah, GG. I don't have like iron sword. I have to buy iron sword and then like some bread. Let's eat bread, bro. Yeah, and I have to buy more bread and like this, and that's it. And place this here and sear here on the 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 on the 5 there is a sear. Okay, nice. Like so I have 52 HP. I have to gain it. Okay, now it's time to break the blue. Okay, now it's time to break the blue. But I don't know my team is what is my team is doing, but I'm killing him. आजा you bro, I speak Hindi. Why he's running. Why don't run, bro, you have to kill with me. You have to kill, you have to kill, bro, you have to die, die, you have to die, yeah. GG. Sorry for shouting, but I like shouting. And like I don't have, like I have to buy the bread. I don't have bread. Let's do some cool thing. I bet. I don't know why I did this before, because this gonna be crazy, bro. Because I can use it to like as I can use it as a block. Okay, you like see this. Yo. There is no blocks. I can use blocks, so I can go there. Okay, so I have to go back. Yeah, I'm back. Why I'm lagging? Lagging? Clutch. OMG. Nice clutch. have to buy some like more this stuff because this stuff like helping me. Like I have like someone had blogs. I have like these things. Let's break this, bro. What is this? Why? What is this, bro? I can break this. I think there's a like lobby block. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to mid. Like red is only left and yellow. Like I am left and red is left. So let's attack the red because I think we can kill the red. Okay. So is there is red? No. Like I have 16. OMG. I have to go to my base and let's buy some like diamond stuff because diamond is so I get so many diamonds, bro. This is not my base, but this is the red base. Oh, there's someone is in my like. I will buy this and this and like this. Oh, I don't have to buy this. And let's buy some crack cookie and melon because I'm gonna like kill him with like some trips and ticks and upgrade. I will add this. Okay, that's gonna be crazy, guys. So what are you doing? Waiting for and eating this and let's running like a lion and eating this. And one hand could be empathy uh, because I eat an invisible, so I have to empathy. So yeah. Have to eat a more invisible block. Am I visible? No, am I not visible? I will. Oh, yo! How you can see me? How you can see me? See me? How can see me, bro? Using this and this to pretend myself. Okay, nice. Now I am safe. Red one player is left. Okay, I have to kill him. Let's go. Let's eat some cornbread. Let's he can kill. Like my friend kill him. Yeah, GG. We won the match, guys. We won the match, and I completed the challenge without any blocks. So I didn't use any blocks in this challenge. So guys, if you like this challenge, so make sure to like subscribe to channel Matt Whitey, and for more challenges, comment what type of challenge you want. So guys, meet you there. Bye. So I don't know how much this video is long. So please subscribe and please like this means a lot for me. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.